Hello everyone. So we've just come up to pick Gordon up from school. It's actually a really nice Orthodox gymnasium. You can just see in the background there, that's the church at the end. It's a lovely, lovely little school. I'm very happy there. But we've just come to pick him up because some of the parents donated a few different clothes, some baby clothes, which is really nice. Obviously we're going to use some of them and we'll pass on other bits of clothes that we don't need, because obviously there are quite a lot of families affected, so we'll see what that is. But again, it's just something really nice. The school is obviously understanding what's going on, and I think there's a few families even in the school here that's been affected with the floods as well. So yeah, it's just a bit of an update of what we're doing. The weather's quite nice. I'm actually in a t-shirt today, believe it or not. So it's warmed up. It's blue skies. So yeah, something to be cheerful about, something to be happy about. What I'll do, I'll put some footage of where the water levels are with our house, our street. We've got some footage through from some of the guys that are patrolling up and down our street at the moment. They're just still documenting where the water levels are. Yes, it's gone down a little bit, but it doesn't look like it's gone down an awful lot from the videos I'll put on at the end. So make sure you watch the video to the end. I'll also put a little bit of a video on of what we picked up in terms of the donations as well. But yeah, we're just waiting for Yuliya's gone in just to say thanks to the school and just a bit of an update of kind of what is going on. So yeah, we're getting on with things. It's all good. We're just grateful, for little things like this and everything. So yeah, I just thought I would do this video from here and just show you the school in the background there. But it's it's a lovely day. We're getting through this. We're staying positive. But yeah, it's nice to have a bit of a smile back on my face. And again, thank you for all your positive comments that are coming through. We've had a bit of a boost to the channel lately. It looks like some subscribers have shared on one of the channels, I think. So yeah, it's nice to see an increase in subscribers, because it just means what I'm doing is hopefully beneficial to people, and people are enjoying watching the content. I'll try and get as many positive videos out as I can. It seems though you liked the one where we're walking through Orenburg, so I'll try and show you as much as that as I can, especially now the weather's better. But yeah, I do also have my limits. It's it's exhausting, mentally exhausting, everything that's going on. But I'm enjoying doing the videos. It takes my mind off it as much as I can. So yeah, thank you for your nice comments to say keep the videos coming. So yeah, I'll update you soon. Like I said, I'll put some of the footage on at the end of this video, just so you can see where the kind of water levels are and things like that. And yeah, if you like it, remember to just like, subscribe, share this as much as you can, so we can continue to grow the channel and it keeps me uplifted. And I'll continue to do the videos what I can do. So thank you. I'll see you soon in the next video. So I've just dropped Gordon off at his school, and a lovely lady, one of his friend's mums, dropped us some baby clothes off. So that's just really, really nice. Because there was a lot of clothes in the house, but thank you. We'll make use of them, and if we don't, obviously we can donate some of the others what we don't use somewhere else. But people are really helping. This is at his school. Just dropped him off, so thank you for that. Amazing.